Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on Raise to Wake on the RealMe Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe from left to right on the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Tap on the settings cog and then tap Display. In the display settings, tap Raise to Wake to turn on the toggle. When the toggle is blue, Raise to Wake is turned on. You can also turn on Raise to Wake from the quick panel. To do this, swipe from left to right on the watch's home screen. Then tap the watch on the wrist icon to turn on Raise to Wake. When Raise to Wake is turned on, the icon is blue. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more RealMe Watch tips and tricks.